Hi, I'm Jay with SIGA. We're taking a look at a window that's recently been flashed with Fentrim F6 and Fentrim F4. And the inset window has been installed. And now we're going to create an air and water seal around the perimeter of this window. Something you always want to check with your window manufacturer is to make sure it's okay to tape across the bottom of the sill. Cut a piece the length of the sill. The Fentrim has this 5/8 pre-fold. The backing strip's already removed. It makes it really easy to install around the perimeter of the window on the face frame situation. And now I'm simply going to pull this tab that I've started and press the Fentrim into place and press it onto the Fentrim F from the rough opening treatment. Moving on to the corners, cut a 3 to 4 inch strip. Take a small nick in the pre-folded portion, fold this over and create a 90-degree angle there. Remove a little bit of the strip, press it into place. Remove the backing strip. And now, because the Fentrim has a little bit of flex to it, we can form that nice corner. Continue to the next corner. We're gonna go ahead and cut a piece for the jamb. I remove the backing strip and I press the Fentrim firmly into the corner. And now I simply lap it over onto the rough opening. And now we're gonna move on to the other jamb. Now we've worked our way up in weather lap fashion to the top of the window. Here we're going to address the top 2 corners first. Pressing it snug into the corner. Flexibility the Fentrim has, it makes for a nice detail. Measure and cut across the head. So that's how we seal an inset window with Fentrim IS2 75mm. Thanks for watching.